Hello everyone. Today we will study Chapter 7, the Coastal Plains and Islands of India, Part 1. In this lesson we will learn about the Western and Eastern Coastal Plains, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. As you have seen in the earlier chapters, the Southern Plateau covers most of the Indian peninsula. Larger part of southern part of India is covered by plateau, southern plateau. The plateau is surrounded by narrow coastal plains on the eastern and western side. To the both sides of this plateau lies plains, coastal plains. To the east of it lies eastern coastal plain and to the west of it lies western coastal plain. On the west between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea is the Western Coastal Plain. Western Coastal Plain lies between Western Ghat and Arabian Sea. And Eastern Coastal Plain lies between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. Eastern Ghat and Bay of Bengal. The Western Coastal Plain. On the west between Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea is the Western Coastal Plain. It begins from Gujarat in the north and passes through Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. It starts from Gujarat. Here it is Gujarat, then Maharashtra, here Goa, the smallest state of India, Karnataka, to the south of Goa lies Karnataka, and then Kerala. It is divided into three main parts. Number 1 is the Gujarat coast in the north. Here it is Gujarat coast. The Konkan coast in the middle up to Goa. Konkan coast from Maharashtra to Goa. And then Malabar coast in the south from Goa to Kanyakumari. And from here Goa to southernmost tip of in this mainland of India, Kanyakumari, lies Malabar coast. Gujarat coast, Konkan coast and Malabar coast. See Malabar coast in the picture. A ship being loaded at Kochi port in Kerala. This plain meet at Kanyakumari, earlier known as Kanyakumari. Both this western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain meets at, here it is Kanyakumari. See, they meet at Kanyakumari. The southernmost, Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the peninsula. There are also many islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea, like the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. See in map. Here it is Andaman and Nicobar Island, and this side it is Lakshadweep group of islands. India has an extremely long coastline, the part of land which meet with water called coast. So it has very long coastline. It starts from Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, then Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. So it has extremely long coastline. This is a great advantage for India as it can use ships to transport large quantities of goods into and out of the country. Ships are loaded and unloaded at ports. What are ports? The place where ships are loaded and unloaded in the coast. The place in the coast where ships are loaded and unloaded are called ports. So there are a number of ports along the coast in India. Some of these important ports are Mumbai, see in map, Mumbai. Next is Kandla, see Kandla. Next important port in western coastal plain is Kochi in Kerala. Next important port here is Panji in Goa. So in western side these are important ports, while in eastern side the important ports are Kolkata in West Bengal, Puducherry Puducherry in Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Besides these, some other important ports of this coastal plains are Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, New Mangalore in Karnataka. The long coastline also encourages fishing. Fishing is an important occupation of the people living in coastal areas. Now we will see Eastern Coastal Plain. On the east between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal is the Eastern Coastal Plain. Here it is Eastern Ghats, Bay of Bengal, and between them this light green shaded part is Eastern Coastal Plains. It begins from West Bengal in the north, here it is West Bengal, and passes through Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. West Bengal, Odisha, then Andhra Pradesh, and here it is Tamil Nadu. The eastern coastal plains are wider than the western coastal plain. Western coastal plains are narrower and eastern coastal plains are wider because rivers form delta here. So they are wider. The northern part of eastern coastal plains are called Northern Sarkar. This part of the plains from here to here, this part of the plains are called Northern Sarkar, and the southern part of it called Coromandel coast. From here to here it is called Coromandel coast. Now we will see the islands. The islands in the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, which are near the Indian mainland, are a part of India. What is island? A piece of land surrounded by water on its all sides, called island. There are two groups of island named the Andaman and Nicobar Island, which lies in the Bay of Bengal, and the Lakshadweep Island, which lie in the Arabian Sea. First we will see Andaman and Nicobar Islands. There are two groups of about 300 islands in Bay of Bengal. The northern islands are known as Andaman Islands. All these northern islands are called up to here Andaman Islands, and the southern islands are known as Nicobar Islands, and these southern islands are called Nicobar Islands. They are form a union territory of India. The southernmost part of the island is called Indira Point. This part has been marked here, called Indira Point. It is also the southernmost part of the India's southernmost territorial boundary is up to Indira Point. Lakshadweep Islands. These are a group of about 30 islands, only some of which are inhabited, means only few islands are available for living, means people live in very less number of islands. Most islands are there without people, without human beings. They are close to Malabar coast. Malabar coast means near Kerala, near Kerala here. They also form a union territories. Many of these islands are made up of deposits of skeleton of an animal called coral. Such islands are called coral islands, means Lakshadweep group of islands are coral islands because they are made up of coral polyps, skeleton of the coral polyps. These are, so they get accumulated when they die inside their skeleton, and one over another get accumulated, or in this way the island Lakshadweep islands have formed. So they are called coral islands. In this part only up to here. In second part we will see life of people in coastal plains and group of islands. Thank you.